Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. Let's talk about BTC right now. What we need to see here. What we are trying to find out here exactly. तो आज बताने वाले BTC के बारे में कि अब हम देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे BTC जो है कहाँ जाने वाला है, कितना अच्छा मूवमेंट कर सकता है. That's going to next level, guys. So one thing is completely here. What we see here is the double bottom in support level. This is 4 hour time frame. Double bottom हो चुका है. And one thing is I just will show you. This is one thing कि कितनी बार यहाँ पर रिटेस्ट किया. लिक्विडिटी ग्रैब की मार्केट ऊपर, लिक्विडिटी ग्रैब की मार्केट अच्छी मूव किया, राइट. लिक्विडिटी ग्रैब की मार्केट बहुत अच्छा मूव किया. How many times you're working? Three times. Just three times is market retesting next level. Is the how this is the level here. अब फर्स्ट लेवल पे कहाँ पहुंची थी 49 लेवल पे. सेकंड लेवल पे कहाँ पहुंची थी हमारे पास 53 लेवल पे, राइट. सो दिस इज द थर्ड लेवल हियर. दिस इज सपोर्ट ऑफ 49,800. दिस इज द लास्ट सपोर्ट लेवल. अब इस सपोर्ट लेवल से मार्केट ने बहुत ही बुलिश पैटर्न को ब्रेकआउट कर दिया है, राइट. इफ आई सी इफ यू गो सी एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट हियर, यहाँ पे इसने इस लेवल को ब्रेकआउट किया है. अब ये ब्रेकआउट करने के बाद थर्ड लेवल को ब्रेकआउट कर रही है. That's the was a crazy. You can go 1 hour time frame. You can see here how we see here, right? This is exact the support level 60,000 time 60,000. There's the support level. अब सपोर्ट लेवल पे इसने क्या कर दिया, यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट कर दिया डाउन साइड की तरफ. इफ आई सी दिस वन, आई यूज दिस वन एग्जैक्ट, एंड वी हैव टू वेट द रिटेस्ट लेवल इज डाउन साइड हियर. अब थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे वेट करेंगे रिटेस्ट लेवल को. वी जस्ट वेट फॉर रिटेस्ट दिस वन 62, and other one we have 61,300 level. If is retesting this one level, and then we can continuously keep market upside. And 66 level अगला रहेगा हमारा 66 and 500 level, and next one 69, 70, 50 level. So this is the we have to focus on this support level कि ये support level ना break करे, and इस support level की respect करके market ऊपर की तरह movement करे. So this is the first of all things we have to correct the things here, guys. So one things and simple. You use same things for 54 hour time frame. If you want to see clear picture, you have to use 4 hour time frame. This is the best things, guys. Another thing, and we just go with the 1 day time frame. What we see here exact, what we see, this is completely, this is a completely bullish pattern. This is completely bullish, guys. So यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ी बात होती है, if we see here bullish pattern, then we have to draw here, just remove this one and then see this one exact. This is the like a flag. If I see, if you see our Twitter, you can go with Twitter. I just already posted this one here for every people. What is exactly is going on in trade, right? So is respect this one here also. We just see this one. There's the respect here, right? So we see here W pattern. This is correctly W pattern. It is a correction here. See this level. If it's break out that level here from 64,000, and then market can reach next level. That's the probability. We have to see. One thing is clear flag. If you see bullish flag, what we need to do? We have to buy. We have to buy. So this is the good chance to buying here. I already posted also when reach market here. I already posted you have to buy from here. I already posted this one before also when they reach market here. We have to buying, and I just we grab this one. We have to one more time selling, and then boom. This is the last chance to we have to buy BTC, right? So in 1 hour time frame, I already posted here in Twitter. You can go here, but Twitter, this is their Twitter, right? And just check it out. This one I posted yesterday in Twitter. You can see this one, guys, right? This is the I posted yesterday, and other one after that. See this one result. He break that level. He break that level, and market going up. See, this is unbelievable, right? So how many points we recover here? 1500, 1600 level we recover here, right? So same things what we are posting in Twitter, you have to check it out because it's everything's free for everyone people, right? So you can use this one, right? Actually, you see this one. First this we updated here. Second one, see this one level. It's going crazy, right? Same thing. Also so many update we update this one also. This is the gold. Uh, this is the goal. I already updated this one goal also. We retest trend line, mother trend line, and still it's gold right now here, right? So this is the last time, guys. If you want to buy, you can buy from here right now, and still going upside, still going crazy, right? But the things is, one moment if you are late to buying, but still you can wait a little bit. 500 point downside up, you can wait for 500. If you wait 500 point something, and then you can wait for downside, right, a little bit. But the things is, go with 4 hour time frame. It's going to here and see what is exactly here. It looks like flag. Totally see this one. And one time here, retesting, one time, two time. This is one retest level, two time retest is seven, third time is making a double bottom completely, see. This is crazy, but I just we guess this one is working for every person's what we are doing here. Like see backside, do it back, do it. What I make here setup. This is the setup, guys. Right, this is my setup, which is I already posted in Twitter also, and everywhere. This crazy yes moment up, what we need to see here, see the level of your downside, one moment downside here, and then we can see, if you see this one level, maybe it's draw, it already draw. Use that level, guys. This is the level, first level is here, I think 60 to 600. If you reach there, you have to buy one step from here, and if break that one level, you can buy one more trade from 61 800 level. That's crazy, right? बट यहाँ पे हम वी कैन वेट, अब यहाँ पे हम इतना वेट नहीं कर सकते कि यहाँ पे वेट करें नीचे, अब इतनी ज़्यादा इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं आ सकती है. इफ़ यू कैन सी द बाइंग, so crazy, right? Super crazy. So you can see this just only for in 2 days, market reached 2,000 points, 3,000 points, right? Already reached, right? But the in next week, we can see the down, we can see the next high here. It's a 66,600, and other one here. This is the resistance level right now, and the market can reach again downside. So whatever we need to see here, that's the one of the things. If you want to join our courses, classes, just go here. I already showing every person's too. If you want to join courses and everything, this is the best options for every person. Join in 2 weeks. We give you the 100% guarantee to join classes, understand our rules and discipline, or all of the things. We just give you all of informations, right? Contact number here. If you don't understand anything, our strategy, we will give you your money back from your account. But the things, everything's on a sign, on a paper. You have to write it down, you have to give it, sign everything, and do it properly. We have more than 100 people to join this one, and if you want to join, if you like to join, then you can go also. And thank you so much, guys. I hope you like video and subscribe and channel and like also. Thank you. So make sure, don't forget to, you have to buying right now, you have to wait for a little bit downside and then keep your positions buying. Thank you so much. See you next video.